may listahan ako mga ideas or items. Tapos ang tanging pwede nyo lang sagutin is either fleeting or lasting. Okay, game?
Game.
Phone battery.
Fleeting.
Amoy ng utot nyo.
Lasting.
Over.
Lasting.
Depende.
Pag tumanda na last.
Sweldo.
Fleeting.
Sikwate.
Last.
Lasa ng Wi-Fi connection nyo.
Fleeting.
Fleeting pag hindi nakabayad.
Traffic sa Pinas.
Uy,
Lasting.
Inis at galit.
Fleeting.
Fleeting. Kailangan ilabas.
Oo, kawawa ka.
Stress at pagod.
Ay, fleeting.
Dapat fleeting pero minsan lasting eh.
Showbiz.
Honestly, most of the
Gusto
time,
maiyak eh.
Heartache.
lasting.
Lasting.
Marriage.
Dapat
Lasting.
Lasting.
Dapat.
Corruption.
Unfortunately, it's lasting.
Vacation.
Fleeting.
Laging mabilis lang yung boss.
Oo. Kasi fleeting din yung sweldo.
Mati.
Lasting!
Puntating tanong. Pure Gold sini panalo.
Lasting!
Goldwyn Reviews.
Hi guys!
Fleeting now story!
See you!